Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. So in today's video I'm going to discuss tips for students that can help them achieve their dream job faster in 2025. So as you all know, 2025 is about to come, so I thought this is a great time to make this video so that students can prepare during this period and get job ready faster. I have the list of points that I have to discuss in this video. While my kids are sleeping, I will shoot this video. So let's get started. Point number one is develop in-demand skills. When I say in-demand skills, this means the skills that are in demand in your particular field. For example, let's say you are a computer science student, so the in-demand skills in the market right now are AI, ChatGPT, data analysis, data science. So you develop skills in that particular field. So you can do free courses, you can take courses that provide you certifications. So the reason to do this is that because when there's a job opening out there, there are going to be thousands of students who are going to be applying for that same particular job. So then chance of standing out of this list of thousands of students. So this is the pointers that you have a certification, you have done a course. So that means you have made an effort to stand out in the crowd. So do this. There are several courses that are available for free, and those are from big giants like IBM certified courses, Google certified courses. There are courses available on LinkedIn, and all of these are free. So as a student, I believe you have a lot of free time, so don't waste your time. Go and do these courses, take a certificate and add it to your profile and make your profile shine. So now moving forward, point number 2 is that keep your resume updated as in all your educational details, your percentiles, if you have done any extra courses, what are you studying right now, branch, your email ID, your LinkedIn profile, your GitHub profile, all your personal work, everything has to be up to date, because you never know when someone will reach out to you or you will find a job opening. Your resume has to be ready and it has to be updated every single day. It has to be with you updated. And very important pointer in this resume updation I want to tell you, I would like to highlight, is it being ATS approved. So whenever you apply for a job opening, there are going to be multiple other people who are going to be applying for the same job. Then what are your chances of standing out in the crowd and getting filtered by the recruiter? So basically, when you apply for a job opening, the recruiter is not going to open the resume of every person and going to do all this analysis and filter out the students. No, they are going to first filter out based on your ATS performance. All the resumes are going to go through a ATS filter, and half the resumes are going to be thrown out of this system. So you have to make sure that your resume is ATS friendly. So it is going to pass this step number 1 and step number 1 even before reaching the recruiter. So there are also some paid services. So if you're finding it difficult to write a resume that is ATS friendly for yourself, you can go for paid services. Totally up to you, but it is highly recommended that your resume has to be ATS friendly. To check if your ATS is resume friendly or not, just go in any of the free ATS resume analyzer on the Google, or use ChatGPT, and they will analyze your resume and tell you what is your score. Recommended score is of 80 plus. So your resume has to have a score of 80 plus. Then it is considered to be a ATS friendly resume. Okay, so next point number 3 is going to be update your LinkedIn. It's very important that you have a LinkedIn profile and it has to be updated. LinkedIn profile is your go-to resume. This can be linked with point number 2. So updating your resume is no less than updating your LinkedIn. So basically, LinkedIn is a professional networking platform where all the professionals can connect with each other and seek for students or professionals who who have the required skill sets, and then they can directly go and reach out to them and show them that they are interested in their profile, and the professionals can show their skills on their profile. So it is like your resume only, but it is very professional. So go update your profile, write in all the details about you, like your educational details, your skill set, what is your experience level, what are you skilled at, what are your projects that you have worked on, what are the certifications that you have done, what are the courses that you have done, your extracurricular activities, if you are involved in any of the activities outside of academics, that also can be highlighted, but make sure it is up to date. Point number 3 is building a professional network. Again, this has to be done on your LinkedIn platform, because building a network is very important. Let me tell you, as a student, you have enough time. Even if you dedicate just 15 minutes out of your daily routine on LinkedIn every single day, 15 minutes consistently, it is going to help you build a very good network on your LinkedIn. Talk to people, talk to recruiters, talk to people from giant companies like Infosys, Capgemini, Zensar, Google, Microsoft. Talk to people, ask them how their company is, what is the work culture like, ask them how you can develop your skills, enhance your skills, but do network. Now moving forward to point number 4 is enhance your online presence. By online presence, I don't mean presence on social media apps like Facebook, Instagram, or any other application like that. By online presence, I mean LinkedIn. I mean your professional presence. So by enhancing your professional presence, that means being visible to your network. Now how are you going to achieve it? By posting. And if you can't post anything, if you are hesitant, then I would recommend at least do some comment on the posts that you like, or simply just like a post, because when you like a post, you will come into feed that so and so person has liked the so and so post, so there will be visibility, so people know that you are there, you are visible. So this is called your online presence. The importance of online presence you will realize when people start noticing you. So you know, they might like you, they might not like you, but they will not be able to ignore you. And you are not here to impress anyone, you are just here to show your presence, that you are here. So that is what it is important. Just do this simple step once, at least one like per day, and you will be in everyone's feed for once in the whole day, and that is all you have to do. So please do this step, it is very important. In the long run, it will have a great impact. Okay, moving forward, point number 5 is preparing for interviews. So even if you have an interview scheduled or you do not have an interview scheduled, nonetheless prepare for an interview. Just imagine a scenario that you have an interview scheduled, and how would you prepare for that interview? So just sit in front of a camera or mirror, or just sit alone and so just imagine that there is an interviewer and they are asking you questions, so and you are answering that questions. Imagine this being a live interview, and try to answer those questions, because once you practice this, then you will realize that how much more improvement and where you need to improve. So practice, and you will be perfect. So when you are actually giving an interview, it will be very easy because you have practiced it earlier. So it becomes very easy, very natural, and it will boost your confidence. You will not be searching for words, you will not be looking here and there, and you will not be nervous. You will be confident, and that is what matters the most in an interview. Since you are a fresher, the interviewer is going to notice your behavior more than your answers. So you can answer, your answer should not, it will not, may not be perfect, but you have to be confident when you are talking. So prepare for an interview beforehand. For preparing for interviews, you can use ChatGPT. You can type in whatever questions You can say, you can command ChatGPT that be my interviewer and I am in last year of so and so field, and ask me relevant questions. So the ChatGPT will ask you questions and you just have to answer those questions. So there are also other AI tools that you can use. So I can make a separate video on AI tools only for interview preparation for students. We can do that. I will bring that video soon. Now next, moving forward, is point number 6 is looking for an internship while you are still studying. So it does not have to be a paid internship. It can be an unpaid internship. The agenda here is that you get some level of experience, because when you have that, you will be standing out. Your profile will be standing out of thousands of other people who have applied for the same job opening. So what this is going to do is, it is going to enhance your chances of getting the job. So apply for interviews, look for online portals that are offering internships for students, and apply for that. Just go for it, just do it. Just don't imagine how much effort you have to put in, because let me tell you, once you are in the industry, the amount of effort you have to put in will be way more than the amount of effort you have to put as a student, because there will be not much expectations from you as a student, because they also know that you are doing it for purpose of experience and learning. But for an IT profession, it is different. They are working for a client. So make use of this time as a college student. Apply for internships and give your best. Make the best out of this time. Learn. You will be able to learn a lot while doing an internship than just theory work. And point number 7, which is my last point, and it is a very important point, is create your personal GitHub profile. Okay, and in this GitHub profile, you will add your personal projects that you have done. Let's say you are a data analyst and you have done some e-commerce related project. So write your code, and all the other documentation will be stored in your GitHub repository. Add that repository to your LinkedIn, add that repository to your resume, and in the interview, talk about what is your contribution, what have you done in that project, and it should highlight all your key skills. The interview should be impressed by your contribution towards this project. So this will also make you stand out of the crowd. So yeah, that was my last point, and I hope this all 7 points were helpful to you. I guarantee you, if you do this consistently with discipline, you will be able to grab a job very fast as a student. And let me tell you, it is easier to land a job being a student via college placements rather than after passing out the college. So mark my words, use the steps and make yourself job ready in 2025. Bye. I will see you in the next video. See you. And yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye. See you.